Hello, my name's Nick. I'm a service technician here at the Inverter Service Center, and today we're going to be talking about the ME-RC50 made by Magnum Energy. So today on episode 4 of our mini-series with the ME-RC50, we're going to be going over the setup button and the multiple features with this setup button. So if you guys are ready, let's dive on in.
Alright guys, so today we're going to be talking about the setup feature on the ME-RC50. The button's located right here. We'll go ahead and press that. The first feature we have is search watts. It's basically a setting that allows the inverter to turn on based off of a load. So you can set it to, for example, 30 watts. The inverter has to see a 30 watt load before it will turn on. It's just a nice little power saving feature. Low battery cutout is basically a voltage you set it to. So if you want your low battery cutout to 10.5 volts DC, once that hits 10.5 volts, it's going to fault out to try to save your batteries. The next setting we have is going to be absorb time. So with the absorb time, in the manual with the ME-RC50 when you purchase it, there will be a little conversion chart. So based off your battery bank's amp hours, you'll set it to the time based on the conversion chart. Later models have the amp hours set in there. The newer models are going to be using this little conversion here. Battery type, you have, AGM1, AGM2, you have custom lead acid gel, so you have a wide variety here with different battery types you can use. Your charge rate is going to be based off of your C rating for your batteries. Again, if you refer to the manual, they will give you the equation to do that. VAC dropout is basically the incoming AC voltage, so on the input side of the inverter, if it reaches that voltage, so for example if you set it to 80 volts and it went at 80 or below 80 volts, the inverter would not accept that voltage. Power save is just a little feature that will turn the screen off if you haven't interacted with the remote in whatever time you set it to. And then you have your screen setup, contrast, and brightness. And lastly, we're going to talk about the final charge. You're going to have multi, float, and silence in there. I suggest just setting it to multi. That's probably going to be the best bet for the majority of the users out there. And then you have power up always. So if you were to lose DC power to the inverter for any reason, when that DC power is reapplied, then your inverter would automatically come on if you set that to yes.
Thanks for joining us today and watching our video. And if you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. And remember, if you're having issues with your own personal inverter, you can always give us a call at 615-285-0611. Thanks guys. Have a great day.